The hidden costs of sneaker resale. Reselling sneakers is polarizing. It's an honest hustle to some, a necessary evil to many, and gamified greed to others. The aftermarket for footwear has become mainstream and has been glamorized as an asset class by Bloomberg Businessweek. While labeled as the gentrification of footwear by Nike executives, much of this has to do with the demand around limited sneakers, the quick cash associated with their resale, and the various platforms that are making reselling shoes more viable than ever. However, is it all profit? Of course not. Behind every Instagram photo taken in front of a size run of Yeezys or Sotheby's auction for a pair of Scars Pizza Air Force Ones, there's a cost the seller incurs to both buy and resell the shoe. Thinking of starting sneaker reselling? You have the best opportunities with our Cook Group. Our website monitors automatically calculate the profit of thousands of sneakers every single day and will post a message in our Cook Group once they find a profitable sneaker. This will save you a lot of time doing research yourself. We created an algorithm that shows exactly how much expected profit each pair of sneakers will make you and how many times per month it will sell. This minimizes the risk of losing your money investing in the wrong pair of sneakers. Click the link in the description to start your 7-day free trial. Sneakers that are resold can be acquired online or in-store. For those moving in major units, they are often acquired by a bot digitally or through backdooring pairs from brick-and-mortar retailers. Both methods come at a price. You're going to need a bot. Aftermarket expert Ari Sarafian told Complex in regards to buying coveted shoes online. Usually you can get a bot from $1,000 to $8,000. Bots are expensive and deemed essential by some who resell online. Many online resellers also rely on Cook Groups to take their hustle to another level, which often cost $50 to $60 a month for membership. These groups run on platforms like Discord, provide members with tips on buying and selling that give them an advantage in the aftermarket. For those that grind offline, in real life from shop to shop, the costs and risks are very real and have been for some time. Galaxy Foamposites changed the game, recalls sneakerhead Gabriel Julio, who was maced at a New Jersey mall when the shoes were released in 2012. It was the first $1,000 resale shoe out of the gate, which was unheard of. In the years since, Julio has managed and operated an array of resale and retail boutiques from Asbury Park, New Jersey to Austin, Texas. His trips to acquire coveted heat in the past have ranged from flights to California for Supreme drops to drives to Houston to hit Astroworld. Each mission included costs of travel, food, and lodging on top of the price of the gear he was acquiring, which was not guaranteed to go his way.